Kusenjalo i-ANC kwiphondo laKwaZulu-Natal ibhengeze ukuba izakuphakamisa igama likagqirha Zwelini Lawreence Mkhize kwisikhundla sikamongameli we-African National Congress kwinkomfa kazwelonke ngoDisemba.Usosiba walombutho kwiphondo uMnumzana Bheki Mtolo ubhengeze oku kwinkomfa nonondaba eThekwini ngalentsasa.
The branches of the ANC in KwaZulu-Natal are proposing that in the position of a president, they support Dr. Zwelini Lawreence Mkhize. In the position of deputy president, they support Comrade Paul Mashatile. In the position of a national chairperson, they think Comrade Stanley Matabata, who has been a chairperson of the Pompo province for the longest time, can do better now at national level with that experience he has accumulated over the years. They also believe that Comrade Phumulo Moswale from the province of the Eastern Cape, who has served in various capacities, both as a chairperson of the Eastern Cape and also as a Treasurer General of the South African Communist Party over the years, can now occupy that position, who is also a member of the National Executive Committee. They also believe that Comrade Nomvula Monkonyane, whom we all know, Mama Action, can be best served the country and the ANC in her capacity as a Deputy Secretary General. On the province and the position of Treasurer General, the branches and the PC mandated us to lobby provinces to make sure that at least we put a female comrade who's young, who's energetic,